again with another video. Sorry I haven't posted another video. Oh my god. Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you this perfect slime that I have in here. I want to add some shaving cream. I wonder if I could. Let me just, yeah, I'm going to add some shaving cream. Let me just get my shaving cream and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I have it right here. This is the kind of shaving cream I use. If you want it, so that's shaving cream. So let me just add some. Okay, so this is non-toxic. Yeah, I think it's not toxic. Yeah, this one's foam, not toxic. Okay, let me just mix it like this, and see what happens. Guys, this is turning out so fluffy. I just don't want you guys to see how cringy this is. It's turning out actually so fluffy. I will show you guys. Okay, like this. No, not like this. Okay, like this. They're just turning out so fluffy. Look, guys, turning out so fluffy. Oh, have some in here.
You never
Turning
found
out so
this.
fluffy.
You
Have
never
some in
found
here.
this.
Blend in here and in here. I have to clean the table.
Hey, you never found this.
Whoa.
This.
What is that? Oh, yeah.
This. All this.
Okay, now that I add some shaving cream, it's gonna be like this. I think.
We
It's
did
little.
all this for the stuff.
So this one is good.
And so we can play. That's the money.
What?
And this. That's freaking chocolate.
Wait, guys.
Look at us. Now. You can get this for me. Oh. It's okay.
I was just mixing it, but it did like this. It turned out like this. It's just good.